Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
Get rid of your moles with these natural remedies. Moles are common identification marks for many people. Some people love them, while others want to remove them. Sometimes, these moles become bothersome when they are coarse and raised against the skin, hence, the mole becomes an ugly spot. This article will offer natural solutions for people who want to make their body mole-free. The following natural remedies are tested and completely safe. Natural remedies for safely removing moles: honey, flaxseed oil and ground flaxseed. This combination is very effective. For instance, flaxseed oil will gently loosen up the mole from its edges, while the honey, due to its antibacterial properties, in just a few weeks, your face will be mole-free. You should first wash the area with lukewarm water and dry it with a towel. Then, mix 1 teaspoon each of honey, flaxseed oil and ground flaxseed powder. You should apply this paste on the mole and cover it with a gauze. Leave it for an hour and wash it off. Garlic. Garlic is a powerful remedy for moles because the enzymes in garlic will break down the form of the moles. Thus, you should slice 1 garlic clove and place it on the mole. Leave it overnight secured with medical tapes. Repeat on a daily basis for a few weeks. Apple cider vinegar. This versatile ingredient will remove the mole by burning them. Hence, sip a cotton ball in apple cider vinegar and place it on the affected area. Leave it there using gauze and medical tapes for an hour. Iodine. You will need a 5% solution of tincture iodine to get rid of moles. First, wash the area with lukewarm water. Then, scratch the surface of the mole with an emery board and protect the surrounding area from pigmentation by applying petroleum jelly. Next, add a drop of iodine exactly on the mole. Secure it with a gauze. Frankincense. In order to eliminate the unwanted mole, you should take a frankincense bath. Simply, combine a cup of baking soda, 1 cup of sea salt, 6 drops of lavender oil and 3 drops of frankincense oil and add them to a hot bath. Enjoy a relaxing bath for 15 minutes on a daily basis. Baking soda and castor oil. The combination of baking soda and castor oil is another effective remedy for eliminating moles. All you should do is prepare a paste of 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 3-4 drops of castor oil. Apply the paste on the mole before going to bed and cover it with a gauze. Wash it off as soon as you wake up.